Small business has been the fabric of this country since our inception. From Benjamin Franklin's printing shop on Market Street in downtown Philadelphia, or the Wright Brothers bicycle shop in Dayton, Ohio, and even Mr. Thomas Edison's workshop in West Orange, New Jersey, where the first light bulb was made and motion pictures were invented. These remarkable small business owners had a dream and a story. I invite you to join us to the Boiler Room to hear some of the stories of entrepreneurs and how they got started to where they are today. I'm Daniel Gallagher, your host. Welcome to the Boiler Room.